If equipped, you'll find the power sliding top control on the overhead console, just right of the driver's side sun visor. To express open the top, just push and quickly release the open switch. For express close, quickly push and release the close switch. Any use of the switch will cancel express open or close. Push and hold the open switch to open the top manually, then release it to stop it at any position. The close switch works the same way. If the power top detects any obstruction in its path during express close, it will cancel the operation. If this happens 3 times in a row, express close will disable, and you'll need to close the power top manually by holding down the close button. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.